Hey guys, in today's video, if you want to see how I build this piece here DIY, please stay tuned. Also, if you like what I'm doing on my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you're one of the first to be notified. So guys, you know that I am loving on my kitchen. Is most of it is DIY, the appliance. Some of them were purchased, but today I want to build extra counter space for out here. I do plan to enjoy the outdoors. And guys, this kitchen here is not my final destination of a kitchen. Stay tuned for the future. But this is what I have right now. And as you see, there's counter space here, there's counter space on the other side, but it's not enough because I have a large family. So I went to my local thrift store and found this piece of presswood furniture. And I want to turn it, don't know what it was previously, I want to turn it into a area that I could use as a countertop plus storage. So this is what it is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and paint it out, and this is what it's looking at. Give it a nice coat of shiny paint, and this is the paint that I use from Rust-Oleum, and is the one that adhere to plastic because this is not real wood, and I didn't have to sand it or anything. So this is the paint that I used, the spray paint, and you see, as I said, wood, metal, plastic. And this is how the piece is looking. It also has shelves in the bottom. So now I have to make a top piece for this. So at my local thrift store again, I was looking around and I'm like, we need countertops. So let's make us some. So I found this piece right here. And guys, this was perfect. It's like it was made for me. And the piece is very uneven. It's Formica again. Is that not real wood countertop? And particle board, I think, right? So now what I'm going to do to round off the edge, because I don't feel like freestyling it, it's like late I'm doing this. What I'm going to do is use this at my round edge to round out the edge and then continue on cutting the side of it to make it even. So I'm going to do the same to either side of it. So I flipped it over and you're seeing all of that presswooderization. Yes, I said presswooderization. And this is how I did it. Actually, I could have shown you better, but I was holding the camera and trying to explain. I didn't have my tripod with me. So this is how I am going to cut it out. So I went ahead, used my jigsaw and round it out, and I did it at all four corners. And listen, I am loving this piece. So what I'm thinking for the raw edges, how we gonna fix that? So I had thrifted this months ago, and this finishing piece is a metal finishing piece, and it looks like it was a trim in a previous life somewhere else. So I decided was to put this around here because I could easily bend it. It's very forgiving. So I want to show you just different option of what you could do with a piece to finish it and make it looks like it was made of a beautiful old factory. Only difference, the factory at your house. And now I'm going to take the piece upstairs, but I want to show you my area. The whole measurement of the enclosed patio, I think it's 12 by 14 or 12 by 13. But with the stuff in it that I have in here, I think the distance in between is like 7 feet walking distance. So from furniture to furniture from either end. So this is the piece. I got it upstairs, and now we're going to put a countertop and see what it's looking like. So I flipped it over to make it easier to move around. I'm going to add wheels to it, and I purchased these wheels here at this off-brand store, and I paid $1 for it. Lowe's and Home Depot have the same thing, two for $4, and I got a deal. So here are my coasters, my wheel onto the piece. Now I'm going to flip it back over. And guys, I'm working by myself, so please forgive me if I don't take you through everything. And this is the countertop. What I did, I ended up going ahead and tape it off and then spray the raw wood edge. I did not go ahead and put the metal piece. I changed my mind. I thought about I could use it for something else. Yeah. So this is how this is looking. I want to go ahead and build a shelf for in between this. I'm also going to put some contact paper, the black one. And yes, you said contact paper. Why? You're going to be using this a lot. But I have glass to put on it. So this is what I'm going to use to adhere the countertop to the cabinet. And guys, also stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I will style it also in another video. So this is how it look. I put in the shelf, and this is the marble look contact paper, the black one. I also is showing you like options that you could use on the day you go to the thrift store. You get you some tile or the hardware store, and you could use that to put like hot surface, like hot things on your surface. So now we're going to go ahead and peel this off and remove some of the paint in the edge. But so far, this is how this is looking. I am so happy about it. And guys, every day this week, I'm going to have a different DIY for you in this space here. I'm going to bring it to its fullest potential, but this is not my final kitchen. I have a better idea in mind. Look at how she glides all over the place in her majesticness of the blackerization. Yes, 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 yes. And this is piece of the glass that I will use on the shelf. And guys, I want to also show you how to cut glass. It's very easy, I have learned. So in the net, like I said, every day this week I'll have a different video for you guys. And this is my Vanna White, my Loli Paloli. This is Miss Lola. She's turning this around, showing you guys how easy it is to go from side to side. Bye for now. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. And I appreciate you all for watching. Bye-bye.